This is the 5150CF, Lucha carbon fiber. The Lucha carbon fiber is a significant upgrade to our very popular Lucha models. This knife features a spear point CPM 20 CV blade with a tumbled working finish. The premium powder metallurgy steel is optimized for toughness, corrosion resistance, and maximum edge retention. The handle is made out of titanium with a blue anodized finish and machined carbon fiber overlays. This new construction significantly reduces weight and provides a fast, light flipping experience. The contours of the handle create a rounded profile for ease of use, but still offer enough grip for a smooth, controlled feel when manipulating the knife. The Lucha includes a 3D contoured latch to secure the handles open or closed. KVT ball bearings provide frictionless action with zero handle play. This smooth and effortless flipping action is a welcome feature to the most experienced flippers. This Kershaw original was designed and manufactured in the USA in our production facility in Oregon. The reduced weight, premium materials, and balanced feel make this an exciting upgrade to the Kershaw lineup.